Welcome to MAGIC, Computer Assisted Ordering or CAO. MAGIC is also referred to as Computer Generated Ordering or CGO by some retailers. This training is meant for employees working in a store with departments using MAGIC to create orders. It should take about 30 minutes to complete, which includes a 5-question assessment at the end. In order to get credit for completing this training, a score of 80% or higher must be achieved on the assessment. During this session, we will review why you are taking this training, an overview of MAGIC, how MAGIC works, new MAGIC concepts, the employee's role with MAGIC and how they will interact with it. We will then wrap up with what you can expect next in your training. Departments that order with the CAO application we call MAGIC work differently than non-MAGIC departments. We've developed a comprehensive training program that will prepare you to work in a CAO department using MAGIC. This training course is the first phase. We call it the Basics because this training will provide you with the basic knowledge necessary to understand MAGIC. The other phases of training include instructor-led training or classroom training, on-the-job training or OJT, and certification. Your manager will determine the level of training you will need based on your responsibilities within the department. Some employees who take this course will not be working in a MAGIC department and will require no additional training. They may, however, have department awareness meetings to understand how certain tasks within their non-MAGIC department may impact MAGIC departments. It is important to note that this basic course is just that, basics, and intended to educate on MAGIC fundamentals. You will not learn any of the processes and tasks that support MAGIC in this session. If you need to interact with MAGIC, you will learn how to do that in the additional phases of training. This basics training session will answer the following questions. What is MAGIC? Why are we doing it? What will I need to learn? How will my job change? Computer Assisted Ordering, which is abbreviated to CAO, and once again, also referred to as Computer Generated Ordering or CGO, is a computer application that creates an accurate order. This order is based on sophisticated calculations and is store, department, and supplier specific. The order for each item will be enough to service all of our customers' needs and maintain an acceptable shelf appearance until the next order arrives. Store employees have the opportunity to review the order and make changes if needed before the order is transmitted. While the computer generates an outstanding order, there may be a need to adjust for local selling conditions or customer requests. Employees interact with MAGIC on screens through the store's workstation or handheld unit. Let's talk about some of MAGIC's benefits. Because MAGIC is a sophisticated computer application, it can lead to improved order accuracy, less reliance on individual experience to write an accurate order, especially for new employees, improved in-stock service levels, reduced shrink. It may lead to improved supply chain logistics and reduction in unnecessary inventory. So, how exactly does MAGIC create an accurate department and supplier order? Basically, MAGIC collects lots of data from many sources. MAGIC will consider all of its information, run it through its sophisticated mathematical calculations, and create the order. Employees will have an opportunity to edit the order as needed prior to the order being finalized. When the order transmission time arrives, the order will automatically be sent. The more accurate the ordering data, the more accurate the order. Let's learn more about the ordering data. Here is the ordering data collected by MAGIC. Much of this ordering data is out of the control of store employees. These are things that may be set up by system configuration or data fed to MAGIC from other systems, or may be calculated within MAGIC itself. However, some of this ordering data is directly impacted by store employees. Although shelf capacity and PI fall under other areas initially, they also fall under employee input. PI stands for Perpetual Inventory, and even though MAGIC calculates PI, The activities that employees do every day have an important impact on the PI, such as transfers and adjustments, reclaim, damages, and product used in-store for production or demonstrations. This also includes cashiers not using the repeat or quantity key except for clearly identical items and always scanning refunds and returns as instructed. This training will discuss PI in more detail in just a moment. As you can see, there's a lot of data that goes into creating an accurate order. For the purpose of this training session, we're just going to focus on ordering data that you, the employee, has control over. Before we explain how employees work with Magic, we need to explain some new Magic concepts and terminology. The focus is just on the ones that concern employees directly, or the employee input ordering data. A display collection is used to gather information about items that are merchandised in locations throughout the store other than their primary shelf location. Examples include items displayed on end caps, wings, bins, store entrances, and more. In Magic departments, setting up a display collection is an employee task that is typically done once a week or as displays change. Presentation quantity is a part of setting up a display collection. Presentation quantity is the amount of product left on display after meeting customer demand for that order cycle. Sales forecast override is also referred to as the big wheel. This function allows the store to adjust Magic's sales forecast for all departments in anticipation of something happening that Magic doesn't know about. This could be something that causes sales across all Magic departments to increase or decrease. Examples of events that could cause a change in the sales forecast are snowstorms, special events, a new competitor opening in the store's market area, floating holidays, and other similar events. Shelf capacity refers to the specific number of units of a product that fit on a shelf. Magic gets shelf capacity data from the company's planogram system or from it being manually entered into Magic at store level. Because Magic requires an accurate shelf capacity to create its order, stores must maintain a high degree of planogram compliance. Perpetual inventory is referred to as PI and is a system of real-time inventory control. Information on product quantity available in the store is updated on a continuous basis, hence the term perpetual. This is all inventory located within the four walls of the store that is currently available for sale at any given moment in time. Anything impacting inventory is captured, such as product sales through POS, received product, damage adjustments, shrink, transfers, and more. The next topic is the employees' roles within Magic and the tasks performed that impact Magic's ability to create an accurate order. All departments have some responsibility when it comes to Magic. That is why all employees may receive this basic training. Click on the below to learn the difference between Magic departments and non-Magic departments. There are 4 tasks that all departments do, whether they are Magic departments or not. These include making adjustments, handling recalls, completing store transfers, and performing department transfers. These activities may change the on-hand quantity or perpetual inventory of items, which may cause the order to change. Remember what we said about PI? PI is the amount of an item that is available for sale to our customers. Therefore, whenever these tasks are done, the amount of product available to our customers may change, causing a possible change in the order. Since Magic depends on an accurate PI to create an accurate order, it is important that these activities are performed in a timely fashion right as the product enters or leaves the department. There are several tasks that Magic departments do to ensure order accuracy. These tasks fall under 3 main categories: data-related tasks, perpetual inventory tasks, and order review and modification. Since Magic depends on accurate data and PI to create an accurate order, it's important that these activities are performed in a timely fashion. Click on each of these to learn more. Let's review. Magic collects lots of data from many sources. Magic will consider all of its information, run it through its sophisticated mathematical calculations, and create the order. Employees will have an opportunity to edit the order as needed prior to the order being finalized. When the order transmission time arrives, the order will automatically be sent. The more accurate the ordering data, the more accurate the order. Employee tasks that impact Magic need to be completed prior to the order transmission time. What's next? Well, it depends on whether or not you're working in a department using Magic. Click on the link that pertains to your department to find out more. As mentioned at the beginning of this course, there are different phases of training. These include the following phases: instructor-led training or classroom training. During this phase, you will get more detailed information on Magic and the step-by-step tasks involved. Employees will only receive the training required by their roles as determined by their manager. After the classroom, employees will receive on-the-job training, or OJT. During OJT, employees will immediately apply what they learned on the sales floor or back room. Finally, any employee required to perform tasks in Magic will become certified on those responsibilities. Therefore, employees can rest assured knowing that they learned what was required to perform their jobs in a Magic department. Once again, your manager will determine the level of training you will need based on your responsibilities within the department. Employees that will not be working in a Magic department will require no additional training. They may, however, have departmental awareness sessions to understand how certain tasks within their non-Magic department may impact Magic departments. Your manager will notify you of these awareness sessions.